Hello, my name is Michelle, and today I'm going to show you step by step how you can roll your own flowers out of paper. So let's go ahead and let's head over to the cutting machine, and we're going to be cutting our paper out on 8.5 by 11 sheets, and I'm using cardstock. It's like a 65 weight. So let's go ahead and let's get cutting. Thanks so much for tuning in. Aren't these little paper flowers so adorable? I think they turned out so cute. So I can't wait to see which types of paper flower patterns you use and how your little flowers turn out, and I'll see you back on the next tutorial. Bye!